So alright guys, I'm back again. Raise your mental Kelvin every time we show up. So today we are continuing with the topic of liquidity. This is the smart money concept. So following this channel, this playlist of smart money concept traders, you will be able to know everything about the smart money concept. The last episode that I uploaded, it contains all about the liquidity. So briefly, at a review, the liquidity is all about there is equal, this is an equal loss whenever the market is driven below this point. This is equal loss. This is a sort of a resistance zone. Then there is a sweep of liquidity. These weeks comes and they sweep all these stop loss of retail traders. Then the market moves to its direction. So that is the key point of smart money concept. One key point is liquidity. So today we'll discuss more about liquidity, but in a broader way and in another logistic way. So there is what we call an internal liquidity and external liquidity. So for today's video we want to talk about internal liquidity. The last time we spoke about the external liquidity. So the external liquidity, it happens when we approach the most key levels. All right guys, the most key levels at this point is our most key level, because if we change this time frame, it is 15-minute interval. If you come and change it to, let me shift it to 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour, right? So 1 hour. So if you come here at 1 hour, this is a key level in 1 hour. So this is what we call external liquidity. External liquidity, they occurs mostly in key levels. The key levels are determined in higher time frames. So if you are a day trader, your key level should be determined at 4-hour time frame. So and even 1 hour, it has more strong. So this is a key level. So whenever we approach a key level, this is a key level, and there is a sweep of key level here. So that is all about the external liquidity. When we are talking about internal liquidity, guys, let me show you. For this today's video, we are talking about the internal liquidity. So picking, you trade wisely every time, guys. So let's enter to our time frame, that is a 15-minute. Some sort of things are coming here. Very good. Good. 15-minute, guys. So 15-minute makes more sense. Okay, right. Yeah, 15-minute, guys. Kind of boring, but it will be okay. 15 minutes. I don't know why my PC has some problems, so that it's okay. It have sorted, guys. So internal liquidity, it happens here, guys. Let me show you an example of internal liquidity. So an internal liquidity, it happens inside the range. So this is outside the range. So many traders who have watched my video on price action, they know what range is. So if you are interested about the ranges, the market zones where you are supposed to trade, I have a full course of price action. I call it top 1 price action strategy. It is on my playlist. You can go watch series 1 up to series 30. It is all analyzed there. So for the smart money traders, so inside the range there are some sort of liquidity swept. An example is here. So this is the inside the range. So this is the most key level here. Let me even mark it. Let me mark it, guys. Let me call it a key level. A key level. Let me call it a key level. What? I'm calling it a key level at raise, right? This, yeah. Yes, that is a key level. If you see at this point, this is a key level actually. So we are moving from one key level to another key level. So the sweep of liquidity, This is an external. For today's we are discussing about internal liquidity. So the internal liquidity, it happens inside the range. If you can see the inside the range, there is equal lows that are met now, and it is below this range, guys. Whenever, so you can see the buyers, when they enter and trade at this level, the big banks drove the market below at this key level here. This is not actually a key level, it has demand zone in inside the range. Actually, this is the trending range. For people who hold their trades for a long time, this is their key range. For us, the scalping or day traders, so below this range the market moves up, right guys? So that is amazing. This is an external what? This is an external liquidity swept. So it will move to the next key level. So guys, you can see there are some sort of problem of noise. So next time I will prepare on the market structure. You trade wisely every time, guys. You show up every time we trade, we make money in these platform, guys. Forex is I give free information onto you without even payment, guys. So the important thing that you can do is to subscribe to this channel and share videos and many people to get this content, guys. You trade wisely all the time. Peace be with you guys every time.